getting down this dune. It's actually quite good fun. I'm still on low range. Oops. That's better. If you try and drive straight down this dune like that, you can feel the car getting dragged over to the side, to the right. So it's easier when you've got the room to actually just drive straight down the dune instead of trying to fight it. See the back end just sliding around? Now all of that drive up the dune I think I didn't record, so I might go back and do it. Only because I'm just playing around. Way too windy to fly a drone, so we'll turn around and go back up. Hopefully it's recording. I'm in high range, first gear. You can see my tyre marks going down the hill. I'll actually go to the left of those. Up here. Second gear, high range. And I will probably, although that's quite firm there, it's not firm along here. Over the dune, find the path down, my tracks from coming up the other side. There we go. Nice and easy down the dune, feet off everything, and let the car just crawl down. Easy as. Very bumpy down here. This has been dug up. In fact, hopefully I'll be able to flatten a few of those out just as I drive over them, and then I'll turn around and go back up so you get an idea of what that dune really is like. Now the first time I hit that dune I was in high range, first gear, and I just didn't quite make it. Got near the top and it cut out. But I also didn't get a good run up along here. See how wobbly and bumpy it is? It's also soft. So this time, second and then probably third in low range. Second, third, and we'll see if we can get up there. Well, just see that car just drop down into that sand. This is it. Oh, easy. Bit the soft at the top, rock the wheel, and over you go. Third gear in this car, between second and third, is equivalent to first gear in high range. This sand is getting blown away all over the place. So what I'll do, I'm still on the obstacle, but it's a safe obstacle. Neutral, four drive high, second gear, and keep driving. And yes, with this car, the Toyota Hilux, you can change from low range to high range on as you move. But into low range, you almost need to be dead still, almost need to be stopped to change from high range to low range. Now the rest of the track, I could probably do all of this in two-wheel drive, but why bugger up your car when you can just plod along in an easy gear? Alright, that'll do. Well, I've got four to choose from. That one straight ahead of us is the main road. People sometimes go out round to the right, and that's also been dug up as well. I'll go up this main road, see if I make it. High range, first gear, just to see what goes first. If I don't make it in high range first, I'll drop it down to low range and plod up there in second. You don't need to flog it to get up these hills, and if you do get stuck like everyone does on this little hill, left, sorry. No. Oh no. No. Didn't think I was going to make it once I got dragged into the dusty. Yeah. Once I got dragged into that hole, I didn't think I was going to continue on. Back down the hill. See? You don't need to sit there and spin your wheels and throw sand everywhere and make it look stupid, because in doing so you're probably going to break drive lines and axles and all sorts of shit. Now, I can get up there, probably from just here. I will go up there, second gear, low range, and instead of hugging the left, I will try and hug the right and keep the wheels on the ground if I can. The reason I stopped was one wheel got up in the air. I don't have diff locks. Oh, it's dragged me again. And yeah, made it. There's probably big holes on the other side of this as well. So just be careful. Yeah, if you can keep your wheels on the ground like I did just then, you will make it. But if you're lifting wheels on a car that does not have diff lock, then you're just gonna sit there and spin and dig a bigger hole. Next hill looks just as bad. Anyway, I'll cut it there.